Hey guys, welcome back to our video. We are doing texting simulator. I got a new phone, and as you see, we have Seniac merch here. Guys, actually subscribe to Seniac. He is the best YouTuber in the world. And I have the animation here. Look, that breathing right there. And we have a million text. So, PS, we have Seniac merch. We have a new phone. We have the animation. And guess what? I know a glitch how to get real Robux. Don't dislike this video. This is actually real. I actually did it. So, what you want to do is you have to get a real redeem card here, like an actual real redeem card, and we can just click on, there's supposed to be Roblox right on the top, hit continue, you just enter a random pin like that, whatever, and then it redeems. So then it says like, invalid pin. Then it should say submit order. Then you're all set. You should be able to click on redeem. Okay, let's get a real Roblox code. Okay, I have a real one. 567. I've already used this before, so I know all the code. So, yeah, an unexpected error occurred. Try again later. And if you can hear my voice, it is really sick. So, more than like one pray. Okay, we're at 1,300,000 text. Oh wow. Let's get 2 million text. Oh, 10 million. Okay. Whoa. 1,000, 5,000, 2,000, 6,000 diamonds. Well, we just bought it, so yes. Let's try. Is there donating here? Is there like legitimate donating? Wait, let me check. Here. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Tried some. Score. Let's buy that. See, I told you. I literally told you it's real. Continue. Damn, I have it. I literally have it. God. Jesus Christ. Sorry guys, but the screen recorder's freaking is a dummy. It's not even. There's probably being like, what the hell? Oh, it's an NASA research facility. You have research facility 2988 98888. We have about 11 million text total. Seasonal peppermint phone X. Wow, I need 1,000 subs for my Robux. Just go up and buy the Robux. Credit card. Let's get started. Oh, god damn it. What's this? Why can't I submit my damn order? One, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay, fine, dick. Okay, purchasing whatever. Okay, whatever. Yes, yes. Almost have 1 million text. One whole million. Click, 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 click until we get to 10K. Okay, we're at 10K. Now we get 5 million monies. Should be able to buy the other phone. I got 12 million text in total. Totally. 25 million for the other rank. That is absolutely ridiculous. Let's see how much we are. Oh my god. There's so much. Oh my god. Let's buy the 5 million for now. Raw me phone. What? Yo, this. Oh my god. We are rushing in for the 300,000 texts in total. Oh my gosh. Can we make it to 1 million? Like, clicking? Okay, I'm sorry for the log touch thing. Okay, we've been clicking for about 2 minutes. I'm just kidding. Well, my mouse sensitivity, I'm going to turn that down. Come on. 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 3, 2, 1. Let's the goals. Why do you have to do this? Yo, I didn't even know we hit 1 mil. Yo, we hit 1.2 million text. Yo, 2 million? That is so much. Guess I'm doing a quest right now. $2 million. Oh my god. Guess we're gonna do a live stream today, so get ready for that. Okay, we got starter ranks, advanced. Let's start over. Starter ranks, advanced. Why can I say advanced? Starter ranks, Wow. Starter ranks, advanced ranks, legendary ranks, godly ranks, and richest textures and top textures. Yo, this boy got too much. Let's see who's top one. Scroll. Okay. Book of some I have no idea what Book of Swift is. I can't. I need glasses. Oh my. Top textures. What if I was on the leaderboard? Literally, what if I was on the leaderboard? See, you gotta be, like, so good to get on the leaderboard. Like, you gotta play, like, a year of this shit. Like, literally. Until you get, literally, 20 million. Okay, we just hit 14 million. Yay. Wait, guys, is that 746 not moving? Whatever. Oh, we just hit 1.2 mil. Oh, we almost have about, come on, we need to hit 100,000. We just hit 100K. We have 5.2 million texts. Let's see what the other phone cost. Then we can make it up to them. Let's hit 100,000. Oh, 7 million. Okay. But no, not 7 million. I don't have enough for that. Well, we're getting there, guys. We are getting there. Okay, we just hit 12:31. Bye, guys. See you on next video. Bye, guys.